recharging through existing open dug wells. There are several dug wells in the state. In Andhra Pradesh, it is estimated that there are about 16 lakh dug wells. Many of these dug wells presently are dry or with deep water levels. These open dug wells can be utilized for recharging purposes, and that can be done by collecting the rainfall runoff occurring in the farmer's lands in his own holdings and diverting it through a channel into the well. When the rainfall runoff has to be admitted into a well, there are two important things that have to be considered. One is the runoff water should not carry any silt or sand when it enters the well. The second thing is that when the water falls into the well, it should fall into the water body of the well, but not on the sides of the well. When it enters or falls on the sides of the well, it will lead to erosion of the sides and deposition of silt within the well. Under no circumstance the transport of silt or sand should not be done into the well through such collection, drain and admission into the well. To facilitate this type of situation, that is to prevent the carrying of silt and sand through open drains into the well, a simple structure has been designed. The cost of the structure would be around 400 to 600 rupees, including the cost of the pipe, whereas the amount of recharge that would be occurring in the well would be quite significant. Generally, it works out to something like 1 to 2 rupees per cubic meter of water stored. It gets stored number of times, and number of times it gets refilled with water. So therefore, it can be calculated what is the cost per 1 cubic meter of recharge. But if you have to calculate on the stored volume, it varies from 1 rupee to 2 rupees per cubic meter, depending upon the size of the well. Comparatively, when we see the mini percolation tank or any other device, they are costing more, something like 5 to 10 rupees per cubic meter. But this is working out very low cost because the well is already there. It's not as if we have to excavate a well. It's only a question of admission of water into the well. So therefore, it's highly economical. And the amount of recharge that takes place through such dug wells is significantly more than any other structure. That is because in the dug well we have the vertical sides or sloping sides, which can also facilitate seepage of water much more effectively than any other structure, and it has got fissured formations at the bottom, which encourages the deep percolation. And actually it is seen when the well gets filled up with the rainfall runoff, it disappears in a matter of 15 days to 1 month, depending upon the water table level there. And this recharges the water table in the entire terrain. It is something like recharge occurring through a device like mini percolation tank or percolation tank. And this is also one such device which recharges to the water table. It raises the water table. And let us now go through the technical details of such recharge device. This would be a diversion drain, draining water coming from the farmer's holding. It could be something like 4 acres or 3 acres or whatever holding he has, or whatever water he would like to divert from even the neighboring fields also, he can divert it to this canal. And this canal enters a small silt trap, a silt trap of dimension 0.5 meter by 0.5 meter and a depth of 0.3 meters. So this is the silt trap, and when the silt trap is filled with water, it overflows and enters this sump. It is a circular sump, and the water gets stored here, and the water is drawn out through a 100 mm pipe, could be rigid PVC or asbestos cement pipes, and